Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to open and play video files inside the SanDisk SSD storage using this Google TV streamer. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this SanDisk SSD storage. This is a setup. Method 1. Go to this apps tab. Then let me open one player. I am going to open this VLC player that you can install from App Store. Open it. Then go to this browsing section. Under this browsing section you can see disk. That is the name of this SanDisk SSD. Select it. Now you are seeing folders and files inside this SanDisk SSD. Let me go down and here you can see the video file. Let me open this video file. See, so this way we can open video file inside the SanDisk SSD using VLC player. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. In this method I will be using this file manager app. Let me open this Explore file manager app. You can install this app from App Store. Let me open it. Then here on the left side, go down, select this disk. Select it. Now we are seeing folders inside this SanDisk SSD. Go down and here you can see the files. So let me open one video file. See, we can also open image. See, okay, so these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.